How to see liked videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube, log into your account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile, which is located on bottom right. And then in here, you'll find playlist. In playlist, click on view all, which is on the right side. After you clicked on view all, you will find options, which is two options. Simply click on liked videos. In here, you will be able to see all your liked videos, as you can see, but liked videos cannot be seen by other people as long as it's private. And this is how to see liked videos on YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.